Windstorm goes in. Heaven on Hold to the outside, and Classic Alley Cat. They're at the post. There they go. Field of 6, fillies and mare sent on the way in the inaugural running of the Derby Bar and Grill Ladies Express. Smokin' Danielle takes the early lead. Sweet and Sour right there. Classic Alley Cat and Heaven on Hold drive up on the outside. Notice her. Windstorm has got a good spot at the rail. Into the clubhouse turn they go. And Smokin' Danielle from the inside by a half. Classic Alley Cat second by a length and a bit. On the outside, Heaven on Hold. Windstorm is on the bit. She's moving up on the inside. Sweet and Sour fifth. Notice her is sixth. Opening quarter, 22 and 3. Mid by on the back stretch now. Smokin' Danielle, Classic Alley Cat. Windstorm will just need to wait for a way through. Heaven on Hold. Then Sweet and Sour, and notice her as they race past the quarter pole. The half, 45 flat. And it's now Windstorm. She found a seat. Sneaks up the inside. Takes command as they turn for home. It's Windstorm. Smokin' Danielle, Sweet and Sour, Classic Alley Cat. Down the lane they come in the Derby Bar and Grill Ladies Express, and Windstorm has asserted herself. Opened up by 4.5. Windstorm the score. Smokin' Danielle second. Sweet and Sour third. Photo for fourth. On the board, the unofficial winner of the fifth, number 5, Windstorm. Number 1, Smokin' Danielle second. Number 2, Sweet and Sour third. Photo for fourth. Please hold all superfecta tickets. Photo for fourth. Number 3, Classic Alley Cat is fourth. It's 5-1-2-3. Unofficial. Now entering the MCL Motors Winners Enclosure, the winner of the fifth, the inaugural running of the Derby Bar and Grill Ladies Express. This will be number 5, Windstorm. She's owned by George Gilbert, trained by Dave Forrester, assisted by Terry Forrester, winning